Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing Space Engine 2025 and confirming the essentials: 64-bit OS and at least 8 GB of RAM. Once done, download the updated Star Catalog and Shader Pack and place them into the Space Engine directory before launching. Now launch the app. The first run compiles shaders, so expect a pause. Make sure to set graphics to medium as a baseline and enable async compute if your GPU supports it. This prevents stuttering and speeds up initial load. You now learn the core controls for efficient exploration. Use WASD and mouse for free flight. Hold Shift to sprint or control for precision maneuvers. This balances speed versus control. Once comfortable, press F5 to search by object name or coordinates. Type, press Enter, and Space Engine instantly teleports you. Next, manipulate time with T and G to speed up or slow down, and remember to press R to recenter camera on your target. These steps let you traverse scales from moons to galaxies without losing orientation. You finish by setting up captures and final tuning. Create camera bookmarks with Control plus a digit, and use tools Right Arrow Render Movie to export footage. Set a 60 FPS cap for smooth results. Adjust HDR and exposure to get cinematic contrast, and tweak FOV for framing. If you encounter stutter, missing textures, or shader errors, clear Space Engine cache and force shader regeneration. Then relaunch and check the log for specific missing files. This single troubleshooting step resolves most rendering and catalog issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.